Guys, this is the spoiler removal hack. I noticed on Dan Mick's video that a couple of you guys inboxed me and messaged me that you were having problems with it. Well, I'm going to show you an easier method. What I'm about to show you is not an attempt to steal any of Dan Mick's viewers. Dan Mick is a badass, and if you like what I do, subscribe to him. First thing you're going to want to do is to get a stock car. It has to be completely stock, and basically just drive it. I'm going to do a Supra. And make sure you see the little saving data right there. Wait for that to finish and exit out back to your cross menu bar. Now you're at the cross menu bar. Go to Save Data Utility, go down to Gran Turismo, your save data, and copy it over to your flash drive. Very easy. Once that's finished, plug your USB into your computer, and I'm going to put the links in the description. 3 programs you're going to need are Bruteforce Save Data 2.4, here it is, Hex Editor, here that is, and GT5 Garage Editor. This button right here, just click download Bruteforce, extract it to your desktop. Same thing with Hex Editor, just download it there. Same thing with Garage Editor, just download that, click that right there. Garage Editor, I'm not going to put this in the description. As you can see, it is a WinRAR file, so that means you're going to have WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, then you're really going to have some problems. You need WinRAR to open this, and I believe you need WinRAR to open the other 2 as well. So make sure you have WinRAR first. Fucking name. Once everything's downloaded and you've extracted it to your desktop, note you don't have to extract it to your desktop, that's just a personal preference and it's more easy to access. Open up Bruteforce Save Data. Alright, now click these 3 little dots right here. Just like how Dan Mick did it, go to your USB, open up your game data, and go over here, decrypt it, yes. Now, this is the part I believe Dan Mick did not explain to you guys. Go to search, find, or you can just click Control F and type in your PSN name. Now, if you're not logged into your PSN, then simply type in the name of your user right there. If you're not logged into PSN when you copy the data, mind that, when you copied the data and you weren't logged in, or when the data saved and you weren't logged in, type in that name right there when you hit Control F. Alright? Well, once that's done, we hit OK, and you'll see your username right there, and these bunch of codes. Now, I don't know if you can see this. If you can't, get your glasses. There's 4 sets of Fs. Okay, on the first set of Fs, change that to 7-4. Just like that. Okay, remember this, there was a string of numbers here that were highlighted. You look for those 4 sets of Fs, change the first set to 7-4, save it, Control S. Now we hit Control G. Go to offset 0000 E880. And now here it is, E880, the first set of Fs. Okay, this might be in a different position to you guys' save data, so look for this. This is like a marker offset. This right here. That's 04A5, and it has 2 zeros on the right, 2 sets of zeros on the right, 2 sets of zeros on the left. This can be A5 or A6. Wherever it is, just up from it is going to be this long string of Fs. Make sure you have seven columns of Fs right there. Going straight across, that should be 7 sets of Fs. Now change the first one to 7-4, Control S. And now we're done with that. We don't need to do anything else. Close that, encrypt it, and we're finished with Bruteforce, so you can get rid of that. Now you're going to want to open up your Garage Editor version 1.5. If you have an earlier version of Garage Editor, it's not going to work. It needs to be Garage GT5 Hybrid Builder version 1.5. Right here. Open it up, and this is what you're going to get. Now, don't hit anything. Don't hit decrypt it. Don't hit reset. Don't hit the question. Well, you can hit the question mark if you want. That just tells you what it's about. Over here, very clear. Type in your PSN right there. Right here, you hit select backup, and you find your saved data from your USB. Mine's on a Stewart PS3. Right there. Open it up. It'll be like this. Now hit this button right here, load car info, and it should tell you right there what car you're driving and the color code. Now, let me tell you something. Do not touch suspension, do not touch drivetrain, do not touch body, do not touch gearbox, do not touch LSD. Okay? The weight, you can't enter any number for weight. It has to be a hex value. If you don't know the size of your hex values, don't touch that. If you want to get a light car, you can just change the chassis. Try to make it look real. So if you're using a Toyota Supra, put the yellow hat chassis on it, and then for the engine you can put whatever the hell you want. Let's get a 4-rotor. I'm gonna get a 4-rotor Mazda engine in it. Alright, so I put the 787B. Now this is what people have been dying to figure out. Let me just take out the chassis so you can just get the regular. Actually, I've already fucked with it, so Toyota Supra RZ. Okay, now this is what people have been dying to figure out. These stuff right here, they don't really work, but you can go ahead and try it out. I'm not really too sure on that whole thing. The weight doesn't work. Height, this is how you slam the car. Hit 0 is 0. Hit the camber, 255, 255. Now, don't touch anything there, don't touch anything there. This is how you remove the wing, guys. This annoying problem to remove the wing. Just click this button right here. Don't listen to what this says. This is just bullshitting you, so just hit OK. You don't need to have any wings installed. You can enable all tires if you want. Once you're done, hit hybrid car. This will all come up. It says go straight to GT Auto, do as you're told, unplug your USB, copy back over the data, and head to GT5 in the GT Auto. I didn't really feel the need to walk you guys through this again. Just copy back the data to your PS3, and like I said, head to GT Auto.